Hare Krishna, resuming from Sri Harinama Vyakanam, chapter 3, Akhyat Prakaranam. So, we have completed the Bhu Dhatu. Moving on, the next one is Chiti, Sangyane. So, the Dhatu is Chiti, the meaning is Sangyane, which means to be aware, to be conscious, to understand. Words like Chetana, Chaitanya, mm, and so on come from this very root, one root. So, Chiti. So, the Dhatu is Chiti. So Chiti Sanyane. So Dhatu is Chiti. Chit is the main Dhatu, and this Trivikrama E is the indicatory letter. So basically, while doing the declension, this Trivikrama E is not used. So द्वयक्षर धातुरन्तः पूर्वश्च सर्वेश्वरः स विष्णुचापः जागरे कथादि वर्जन. If a dhatu has two syllables, its initial or final Sarveshwara is Sa Vishnu Chapa, but Jagri and Kathadis are exceptions to this rule. So now in Chiti, we have two syllables, Chi and Ti. Like if the whole is counted, Chi and Ti. So this sutra says that when we have a two syllable dhatu, like Bhu, dhatu was one syllable dhatu, Bhu, but Chiti is two syllables. So in such dhatus, either the initial Sarveshwara or the final Sarveshwara is Savishnu Chapa. Savishnu Chapa basically means indicatory letter. So in this Dhatu Chiti, it's the final Sarveshwara, the last Sarveshwara, which is Savishnu Chapa, or rather the indicatory letter, right? And there will be Dhatus ahead, like Ovai, Oshvi, where the initial Sarveshwara will be Savishnu Chapa, indicatory letter. But there are few dhatus which are, although they are two syllables dhatu, but they are exceptions to this rule. So there won't be any indicator letter. So Jagri and the Kathadis. Okay. Laghu Dhavasya Govinda. Now, dhatu is Chit. I'm just not taking the last Eid here. So the very first Pratyaya is Tip, Achyuta. So, and we add Shap by Shap Krishna Dhatuke. Now, when we had the Dhatu Bhu, we had applied Dhaturantasya Govinda Pratyay. The last letter takes Govinda. But in Chit, we can't apply that because the last letter is not a Sarveshwara, it's Vishnu Jana here, right? Ta. So, this sutra says 333, Laghu Davasa Govinda. A Laghu Uddhava. And Uddhava, the second last word, which is Vamana, which is short. Such a Laghu Uddhava, it takes Govinda when a Pratyay follows. Of course, it has to be a Prithu Pratyay. So here this Laghu Uddhava is Irama. So it becomes A. It takes Govinda. Right? It takes Govinda. And we get Chetati. Chetati. Then Chit, thus Shab, the of Shab, same A. Govinda takes place by this rule. So Chetatah, Chetanti, Chetasi, Chetatah, Chetatah, Chetami, Chetava, Chetama. So just one rule here, and we get the forms. Then, For Atmapada, 2 1. So we have Chit, Te. You know, this is the Chutta we are doing. So Yap Krishna Dhatu ke. And because, sorry, it's not Yap, it's Yak. Because Yak is a Kansari, so Ishasana Govindaha Vrishnendra Kansari Shu. So by that one, this letter E, Vamana E, doesn't take Govinda because it is being blocked. So we just get Chityate. So Chityate, Chityate, Chityante, Chityate, Chityate, and so on. Then the next one is Vidhi. So for the Vidhi one, 1 1. So we get Chit. The Pratyaya is Yat. So we add Shab. And so first of all, we do the Govinda here by Laghuta Govinda 333. And then Atoya is Tatayo. We had one sutra before. Arama becomes Vamana E when there is Ya following. So this A becomes E and I'm sorry. That wasn't right. The sutra means after Arama, Ya becomes E. So we get Chet and then Adva Midva A, so we get Chetit. Chetitam Chetayu Ityadi. And then Chityeta Chityatam for the Atmapada. Then yeah. Then the next one Vidhatri. So Chit plus Tup. So the same process, nothing new. Chetatu, Chetatam, and so on. Chityatam, so on. Bhuteshwara also same. Achetat, Achetatam, Achetan, and so on. Then now coming to Bhutesha. So we get Chit, Dip. So this sutra says 334. Asti Sibhyam eat dip sipo. When dip or sip follows, it is inserted after us or si, which means this is Bhutesha. First of all, we add the by what was the sutra? That we insert at dhatorat, Bhuteshwar Bhuteshajateshu by that one. It takes at if Bhuteshwar or either Adhokshita Ajit Pratyay follows, either of them. Then we add C. Now at this point, the sutra says that either dip or sip when either of them follows, and either us dhatu or C is there, so we insert this eat between them. So here we insert this eat, and of course here we insert it by itram dhatu ke. There was one sutra, itram dhatu. Okay, we do Govinda here by Laghuta Govinda. Then the next sutra says itaha silopa iti. C is deleted when it comes between it and eat. So, like here we have this it with the Vamana E, we have C, and following is eat with the Trivikrama E. So, in between this it and eat, when C follows or C is there, so C gets deleted. And then both of these E Ramas, E Ramas become Trivikrama E by the Dashavatara Atmakemalitva Trivikramaha. So, we get a Chetid. Achetid. So there was one sutra. Okay, we have done already. Okay. Now the Rama is there, so it becomes Harikamla by Vishnu Dasasya Harikamlam Virame. When there is nothing else following the word, like acheti, there is nothing else following after it, like no pratyaya, nothing. So this is called virama. So at such a point, Vishnudasa becomes Harikamala. So this Vishnudasa will become Harikamala of its own Varga. So that would be Tarama. So it becomes Acheti. Then next one would be Diptam. Now we insert it. Govinda is done. Here, first of all, this will become Sha, Shatravidhi by Ishvara Harimitra, Ityadi, 108 Sutra. And then Shatparasya Varga Yutrasya will be applied and this Ta will become Ta. So after Sha, Ta Rama becomes Ta Rama. So we get Achetish, Achetishtam. So Achetit, Achetishtam, Achetish. Okay, then the next one would be Achit, Tam, An. An is there, so we get C. It is inserted. Govinda is done. So at this point, the sutra says C Narayana Vettibhyo Ana Us. After C, Narayan or Vida. So just don't worry about Narayan or Vida for the time being. After C, An is replaced by Us. So this is C, so An will be replaced with Us. So we get Acheti, Sus. So this will become Sha, and this will become Vishnu Sarga by Sararami or Vishnu. So Acheti Shu. So like that, Acheti, Achetishtam, Achetishta, Achetisham, Achetishva, Achetishma. Hmm. Yeah, so that was it. Bhutesh. Same for Atmapada, like we did in Bhu Dhatu. So please try that for Atmapada. Chit plus ta replaced with N. Ta, Acheti, ta gets deleted. Acheti Shatam, Acheti Shata, and so on. So that would be the same. Acheti. Okay. So that much for today. I mean, I can just go on, but we need to digest it, the sutras, the declensions, and all. So please practice it. Do memorize the pratyas, I'm telling again. And we'll resume tomorrow from here on. If any questions, most welcome. And anything.
I'm good, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Prabhu. So we'll resume tomorrow from here on. Hare Krishna.